With VSA Analytics, you can compare your enrollments with that of other universities. To begin using VSA Analytics, you'll want to set up your home institution. In order to set up our home institution, we'll want to manage our comparison groups. To begin setting up our home institution, if you look in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you'll notice we have several options. One of those options is Manage Comparison Groups. When you click on Manage Comparison Groups, VSA Analytics will bring you to a page where you can begin to set up your home institution and other comparison groups you'd like to add. Starting with our home institution, if you look over on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice we have this option to create comparison groups. The first thing we'll need to do is name our home institution by giving it a group name. For these examples, we'll be using the University of South Florida, so I will name this group USF. Once we've decided on a name, we can click Create. Once you click Create, you'll be guided to the next step in the process of creating your home institution. The question asks, is USF your home institution or a comparison group? As I said for this example, USF is our home institution, so we are going to select Home Institution. In the next step, you'll be asked to select a specific institution by name. All you have to do is begin typing in the name of your university. Again, in this example, it's the University of South Florida. In these examples, we're going to be using the main campus, and we're going to click to select. We then return to the main page where we manage our comparison groups, and if we look under Edit Comparison Groups on the left-hand side of the screen, we can see that the first comparison group we have in our list is the University of South Florida. If we look towards the middle of the screen on that same row, we can see that we've set this as our home institution and verify it by that check. And this is the school that we'll also begin all of our reports with. If we ever needed to edit our home institution, we could click Edit, and you'll be guided to a page where you can edit the institutions in your group. If you look over on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see we have institutions in our group, and on that list you can see the University of South Florida main campus. If you wanted to include your satellite campuses, you could come over to the middle part of the screen where it says Select by Name, and we could adjust the name and search for our satellite campuses. For this example, we can add the St. Petersburg and click Add. And you'll see if we look back at institutions in our group, we now have the University of South Florida main campus and the St. Pete campus. Simply click on the campus in the list to remove that institution or satellite campus from our list of institutions in our group. We can see that now we are back to our University of South Florida main campus in our institutions in our group list. By clicking Save, we can return to our Manage Comparison Groups page. In the following tutorials, we will show you how you can create your comparison groups so you can begin comparing your enrollment data with that of other universities.